Hello friends, I am Partho. You are watching IndianRobotix. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to use a 7-segment display. Okay, this is one 7-segment display. Suppose this is the bigger diagram of this 7-segment display. Why this is known as 7-segment display? Means here you can use this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 segments, and you can represent any number from 0 to 9. Okay, so for that this is known as 7-segment display. And here you can see 10 input pins are present here. Okay, so each side 5 pins. Each side 5 pins. Among them, middle pins are common, means negative pin or anode. In here, each segment is representing one LED, and this one also a LED. This is dot pin. Okay, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, G, and this one H. Okay, so in this case, here this one is pin A, this B, then this C, then D, E, F, G, this one is H. So suppose you are want to print 1 in this 7-segment display. So what you need to do? You need to do just, or you need to give 5-volt supply to pin number B and C. Okay, or you can print F and E also to print 1, means this. Okay, and suppose you want to print 7, then just print pin A also, or LED A also. Okay, and if you want to print 9, then print A, B, C, D, F and G, then it's showing 9. Okay, let's check this in breadboard. Firstly, sort the common pins, means middle pins. And take a output for anode of this 8 LEDs. Okay, so this is our anode point. Now let's print 7 first. Okay, so for print 7 I need to, so for print 7 I need A, B and C pin as high. Okay, or 5-volt source I need to provide there. So our A, B, C pins are A, B in this side 2 pins, and C is this, the next to middle pin, or from this side second pin. Okay, so this is my 5-volt source. So let's check. C 7 means printing A, B and C. Okay, now let's print 4. Okay, so for 4 I want this LED, this and this one. Okay, so let's print 4. So for printing 4 I want B, C, F, G. C. So you can print any number or any letter also by using this. Okay, so for an example, let's print a letter. Okay, suppose you want to print E. Okay, suppose I am going to print E. So for the printing E I need A, F, G, E, D LED or segments to be high, or we need to provide 5-volt input to those LEDs. Okay, so let's make E. See, this is letter E. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.